Hello, this is Victor at restoringmercedes.com. This video is for local customer in New York City, and I have E55 here. So let's look in the engine. We're doing the valve covers, and I'm about to start cleaning these surfaces now. The engine looks awesome, very beautiful, clean, oil changes on time, very nice, beautiful engine. I like it a lot. It hasn't been running for a couple of days because I didn't want to have oil all over the place, because I'm changing the valve cover gaskets. Tensioners are great. Let's see if we can see the tensioners there. Tensioners, they're fine. They're barely any wear. I'm trying to make this video as good as I can, but obviously there. So those are good. Little lips are in place, everything is there. So this is nice. I'm cleaning the surfaces. I'm gonna actually clean them now. I just did one pass right now, but I'm gonna do second pass and then I'll put cover back on. And this is the obviously passenger side. The leaks were coming from that area, of course. It's right over there in the back. So this is all wet. And somebody replaced silicone on top low covers, but that's a pain to take off. So this is how they look. I cleaned them all off, polished them up as good as I could do. I'll just show you that. This black stuff is oxidation. That's not silicone. So this is how nice they look now. This surface is degreased already. I went with less coarse clean method on the gasket surface versus very harsh one on cover surface, because that's silicone and this is rubber. So obviously silicone will go into tiny little spots, rubber will not. So I went easy on these because I didn't want to create gouges. So that should be fine. This is already degreased, so I'm ready to put gasket on it. This is the breather PCV system side that I'm gonna seal when I have cover on the car, and I'll degrease it and I'm gonna put the low cover on and tighten everything together. The gaskets are right there, original. And yeah, this is gonna be just a quick video to show internals, and that's how basically it all looks. So all right, so off I go to clean up mating surface on the block, on the head. Well, not the head actually, but well, actually, yeah, it's on the head. Yeah, it is the head, I'm sorry. So I'll do the cleaning on the head. I did a little bit on top there, but because there's a bit of oil coming down, I have to clean all that off. I'm not putting the gasket on oily surfaces. So yeah, all right, so this is all. This is a quick one, and I'll continue working. All right, this is Victor at restoringmercedes.com. Thank you for watching.